10-minute exercise, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 rounds. Short on time, do one. More time, do a couple. Let's start. Remember, no pain. Next exercise, squats with reaching. 3, 2, 1. Get started. Squat down, reaching up, then squat down, reaching forward. Start light, maybe a water bottle or a can of soup. No pain. You might be sore tomorrow. When you know what to do, the fear goes away. Halfway through. Semper Gumby, always flexible. Exercise lets you change yourself, improve yourself. Ten more seconds. You can do this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, lunges with reaching. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Lunge forward, reaching up. Then lunge forward, reaching forward. If it doesn't feel right, do something easier. We're not going to the Olympics here. Courage in the everyday little movements of life adds up. Halfway through. Adapt, improvise, overcome. Exercise shows you you have control over yourself. Ten more seconds. Almost there, doing great. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, T rotation with a weight. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your body straight. Only lift what's comfortable. It's okay to go slower. It's okay to rest. It's okay to not even use a weight at all. You're special, you're beautiful, you have the power. Halfway through. Let me break it down, Barney style for you. Challenge your body, get stronger, but pain is a no-go. Exercise helps you forgive and let go. 10 more seconds. Couple more reps. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, prone plank with alternating leg raises. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your body straight. Work your whole body. Listen to your body, stay comfortable. Go slow and build up, no pain. You have the power to do the right thing. Halfway through. It may or may not pay to be a winner, but know your limits. Exercise lets you be positive and take action in your life. 10 more seconds. Remember why you're here. Dig deep. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, supine overhead reach with legs in and out. 3, 2, 1, start working. Stay in control. A gentle challenge. Don't go crazy. Only push yourself a little at a time. Give yourself time to adjust. Don't wait for your dreams. Live today. Make it happen today. Halfway through. Nothing lasts forever. You can do this. Exercise helps you live in the moment. 10 more seconds. Finish strong, almost there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, unilateral row, left with a single leg balance on the right. 3, 2, 1, start working. Stand on one leg is harder. Stay comfortable, no pain. Barefoot exercises works more of the foot and ankle muscles. Go slow and build up. No excuses, not later, just do it. Halfway through. You don't have to like it, you just have to do it. No shortcuts, just move. Exercise helps you grow. 10 more seconds. Hard work wins every time. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, unilateral row right with single leg balance on the left. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your body straight, don't sag, no pain. Stay in control, work your whole body. Get up and face the day, you've got this. Halfway through. Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. Exercise helps your body respond to life positively. 10 more seconds. Follow your dreams. Do this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, Statue of Liberty on the left with single leg balance on the left. 3, 2, 1, start working. Reach down and across, and then torch up high. Go as far as you feel comfortable, no pain. It takes courage to grow up and to be your true self. Halfway through. You need to work hard every day to be somebody special, but I know you can do it. Exercise helps you find the courage to live your true life. 10 more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, Statue of Liberty right with single leg balance on the right. 3, 2, 1, start working. Bend your leg back 2. Work your whole body. Gentle tension. Keep breathing. Enjoy the movement. Everyone has doubts, but take action. Move in the right direction. Halfway through. I exercise because it makes me feel good. Exercise helps bring meaning to your life. 10 more seconds. One more round after this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, squat to overhead press with alternating leg raises. 3, 2, 1, start working. Hips down and back, then reaching up. If you're really sore tomorrow, then you did too much. Follow your heart, it's there for a reason. Halfway through. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. Exercise helps bring balance to your life. 10 more seconds. Well done, I'm proud of you. 3, 2, 1, rest. Well done. Thanks for doing 10-minute exercise. Do another routine here, or I'll see you tomorrow. Keep the momentum going. Do something every day, pain-free. Let me know what you think. Peace.